So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the Innovator Toys Hummer H2. So I have bought it for around 230 bucks, but I would like to say that please don't pay more than 250 bucks or till 280 because the size of it is quite small, that's why. But all over what price they are charging is all for the build quality, and the diecast quality is really nice on this toy. And one thing you all will be noticing that how it is getting black wheels, so that also is done by me only. The company doesn't give black wheels, and some detailing also I've done. And I like the black wheels more than the white rims. That is everyone's each choice, so nothing to do about that. And over here written H2. All this detailing is done by me, the company doesn't give, so don't think that if you will buy this then this much of detailing you will get. And on the door handle also it is done in black, and the rear wheel is also in black. This also looks really nice, gives a edge to its design. And then if you will look at from this side, so this side also looks good. The both sides are quite similar, but this side has the fuel tank that is also in black, that which I have only done. Then if you will notice that at the front it doesn't have any window, so yes, it does has a door. Which is approximately 30 to 40 split or less than that. And if you will see on the interior, then you all can see the interior is kind of okay. The steering is also, and the date pedals are also in nice. Accelerator, brake, clutch and the date pedal, the gear lever, but the doors do not have any kind of good finish inside them, but they are in a good build quality, that I would like to say. And at the rear also it is quite nice. At this price range, at the rear it is detailed really nice, and nothing is understandable that the motor they haven't cost cut over here. That is a very nice thing on this, which I really liked. And then if you will see on the top, then you get a rooftop on it, and these grills look really nice. And from this angle it really looks really heavy. And one thing I would like to say, why this thing is going little bit kind of down, I would like to show you. You all can see it is little bit on the downer side, but in the real model it gets on a straight line, but this model you don't get. Why Innovator Toys have done this, I don't know. And the tail light also looks nice. So as always, Hammer H2 is a really nice model to keep in your toy collection, especially in the diecast collection, because it is in a really heavy material, I mean diecast quality. And if you will see on the then you all can see two exhausts on the back, and the big huge motor. No, wait, I will zoom it. Over here you all can see the Innovator Toys logo. MSZ is the company's name, but the company keeps its names Innovator. So over here made in China written, and over here the Hummer H2 and the Innovator Toys written over here. And I would like to show you the motor's quality. Wait a minute. Okay. So I would like to say you that the motor is quite slow. It could be a little more faster, but nothing to do. The Innovator Toys brand haven't gave. And if you will see on the front, on the bonnet side, then you will see this big huge ventilation. And at the front the headlights look really cool, and it gives a heavy look to the car. And the bash plates on the back, the bumper looks really nice. So this was all for today's Hummer H2's review. So I think you all would have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, then please do give a thumbs up to it. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. So bye.